Still can't get a real market here in Twilio. Have to let those options settle in a little bit. Hopefully the stock rallies a little bit by the time that it does. Okay. Let me ask again. Anybody in the Akamai Iron Condor at our price? Lionel, I know you sold it at 44. Anybody in this at our price? Okay, Lionel, I would definitely close this if I were you, if it was me. Tinny, what price? I don't think you traded it at 50 cents, but that's okay. What price?